I am in dismay. My cat's name was Renee. And she ran away. And she ran away. Now I feel betrayed. I fed her every day. But she didn't want to stay. She didn't want to stay. I tried to find her, but she was a good hider. Then I got too tired, so I went home while she stayed out all night. Now my cat is gonna play, and the dogs are gonna chase, and I am gonna pray that she'll come back, she'll become a stray. I'll look for her all day, and I am gonna pray that she'll come back. Renee was in the dark, I'm on beat. She ran around the park. A dog began to bark. A dog began to bark. Then in the daylight, we got into a fight, and I still could not find her. I still couldn't find. I tried to find her. She was a good hider. Then I got too tired. And I'm gonna pray that she'll come back. She'll come straight. I'll look for her all day. And I'm gonna pray that she'll come back. She'll come back. Yo. My friends and I went out looking for Renee and putting up posters. We went into the park and there she was, stuck in a tree. I got her down and brought her home. My mom fed her and we gave her a bath. Played with her all day, and this might be cliche, but I cannot believe we got her back. And then it just repeats. Do you want me to keep singing? That is gonna play. The dogs are gonna chase. I am gonna pray that she'll come back. And I'm gonna stray. And I'll look for her all day. I'm gonna pray. She'll come back. She'll come back. It just says she'll come back over and over again. She'll come back. She'll come back. Is it over? Yeah, it's over. Oh, it's not over. She'll come back.
It's got like another minute left.
She'll come back.